Okay, so here's my fun little old K1600 toy, and unfortunately it's making a strange noise. We're going to try to get it to do it for us now. The bike is up on the center stand, so I can put it in gear and release the clutch without it driving through the garage door. Makes a good noise in third, makes it a little rattle in third. Listen to this. And that noise, I put a stethoscope on the engine housing. It is not coming from the alternator. It is coming from this enclosure here, which I believe is the transmission. Actually, I'm sure it's a transmission. It does not seem to be coming from the final drive housing. So there we go. And it makes it, the noise is a lot worse in person than it is on the video because it has a bass component to it, a low frequency component. It's a banging sound. And just for the fun of it, we'll take it, put it back in neutral. Whoops. And it doesn't make a sound. Not a peep. So there we go.